In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize in Framer. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to find the object that you wish to resize. So for example, over here, I'm going to resize this image. And the first thing you can do is just click on it to select it. And this will allow you for some resizing. So here, you could go ahead and basically hover around the edges like this. And you can go ahead and, of course, resize this according to your own preference like that. Okay, so that's the first way, using these borders and these dots at the very corners over here. Now, the second one is you could also hit K on your keyboard. So click on the image or the object, hit K on the keyboard, and as you can see, it's going to go to scale over here. And this is where you can then go ahead and resize your object as well, just like that. You can change the size over here on the right hand side as well. You can change its position, its scaling, etc. That's completely up to you. Now, the third way is to click on it, and then you can see size over here, and you could go ahead and, of course, select the size that you want to. You could just keep clicking or type in a custom size, and it's going to get, of course, resized to that specific size. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.